You can actually build a business to help grow your life and have that cash flow, okay, to create sustainability so you can do whatever you want to do here in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you're looking at starting a digital marketing agency, then this video is for you. Hi there, if you're new to the channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I talk about business, entrepreneurship, how to make money online on this YouTube channel. So if you like content like this, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on my next content. I actually started my first digital marketing agency in 2017 where I was just running it solo. Fast forward to 2019, okay, then I decided to partner up with my friend to help grow an agency that we can actually grow big and scale and all of that, okay. So when we're actually getting started, one of the things I told my partner is that we should start with no money at all, so the future story will be inspiring and entertaining, more of like it will sound cool that we didn't start with any money at all. So at the time, I was actually doing web design services for people here and there, so I had web hosting accounts, all right. So at the time also, GoDaddy was offering 99% off, okay, so we actually spent $1 to actually set up a website and all of that. That's what we just did and put that there. And we're graphic designers, so we know how to design logos and do the entire branding. So we just did it for ourselves. We registered a business and we got started. So I actually started with some experience. I had some few experience here and there because I was a professional graphic designer and web designer at the time. So I know a lot of things about the internet and how to get this whole thing going. So before you know it, we're actually growing the business. Okay, since GoDaddy actually gave us the opportunity to get a domain for like $1 or something. We actually just paid that and got started with our website. And we start building the business, getting new clients and serving them, okay, outsourcing some things to people that can do some for us, and we're doing the rest ourselves. And that's how we grow the business. Literally, we've grown it up to the point whereby we even do some traditional advertising things like billboards and all of that, okay, which is a story for another day, literally. So you can actually get started with your own digital marketing agency here in Nigeria, okay, with no money at all or very, very little money, like $1 or so, literally, to start your own agency with. Because if you want to have a domain, that's if you want a domain. But if you don't need a domain, you can actually run an agency and get started right away here in Nigeria, okay. I actually made a video that walks you through the step-by-step in terms of helping you start your own digital marketing agency, to be on the card above right here or in the description of this video, okay. So go check that out because I walk you through the entire process, the types of agency to get started with, business incorporation, website, getting your first client and all those stuff. You can find all of that in that particular video to help you get started with your own digital marketing agency here in Nigeria. It is a full-blown course, okay, that I decided to put out there to provide as much value to you guys. So when you take action, you can be getting results and grow your life from there and build a sustainable business, okay? Because what you want to be doing is to build a business that can pay you or help you get money, literally, okay? You don't just want to be trying out different things or different shiny object syndrome out there, okay? You want to settle down, okay, and build a business that could create cash flow for you and you will grow your life from there. So after watching the video and you want to get started with your own digital marketing agency, you can click the link in the description of this video, okay? I'll be giving you 1 month free web hosting and also my guidance, okay. I'll walk you through the entire process in setting up your own agency so you can build an actual business on the internet here in Nigeria, all right. It actually works. There are so many people doing it right now and you too can also do it. So I actually can only take 20 people this particular month to work with, so you can also check the slot, okay, depending on when you're watching this video, to see if there's any availability and if I can also accept you and all of that. There's a link in the description of this video. Click the link, okay, fill out the form and all of that. There's no charge, okay. I'm not asking you to pay any money, literally. All right, I just want to provide value, as much value, to help you get started, and hopefully you can do big things in the future, okay. So more of like, just enter your details if you want to start your own agency and you are very, very serious. I don't want to work with people who more of like they're not willing to, you know, do whatever it takes to get results, okay. So I just want to give you the opportunity to get started, paying no money at all, okay, without any skills, okay. You can be anybody and you can make money with an agency, literally, okay. That is what I want to actually provide for you. So I want you to watch the video right here, which is the step-by-step to getting you started with your own agency. And when you do so and you're getting ready, you want to work with me, you can fill up the form also and we can take it off from there. So until next time, watch this video. I'll be seeing you on the inside.